Thank you for your purchase of funRide's Scooby Deluxe Twist and Swing Magic Car, the ride of happiness. The swing car that moves forward by turning the steering wheel left and right. Scooby Deluxe Magic Car comes with sturdy wheels and beautiful bright colors. Please follow this instruction video carefully to assemble the product and know the amazing features of it. This exciting product is assembled by using these parts. You also need a screwdriver and 6-point wrench tool or hex key. First, attach the back wheels to the end of the main body by using the accel rod, visor, and quarter pin both sides. Next, insert the provided 2 AA batteries on the back of the steering wheel and 9-watt battery in the car body to activate the bright LED lights and fun music. Now, guide the steering wheel rod through the body and attach the front wheel by using provided bearing, nut, and washer using the wrench tool or hex key. Make sure the LED part of the steering wheel should face forward and align with the small front wheel. For the finishing touch, attach the backrest to the back end of the car body and slide the handrest bars towards the steering head. The Scooby car is now ready for use. Enjoy the fun ride, the ride of happiness.